So it looks like the president actually assigned a new Federal Reserve member because we actually had one quit last week. So we have that hitting us today. And also we have news on tariffs. Tariffs hit today. How did the markets react to that? Well, that's what we're going to focus in on today's video, as well as consumer credit just hit $7 billion. It should be something to freak out about. That's what we're going to talk about today. So, folks, let's get to it. My name is Dan Frio. I actually do this video each day to inform you guys what's going on with those and the whys behind it. Because if you're watching this video, you most likely are looking to buy or refinance. So I'm trying to make sense of these for you to see if we can make homes a little more affordable for you. So let's get to it. Here's what we had hitting the news today. President Trump names Stephen Mirren to the Federal Reserve Board. Now, he's not replacing the Federal Reserve chairman, folks. He's just replacing one member of the Federal Reserve who decided to quit. Her tenure was up in January 2026, and she just decided she had enough and she's out. So President Trump just announced another member there to replace her position. And then we also have Tariffs hit today, and unless you got the can kicked on you, like some countries did, you're going to have, it's National Tariff Day, I guess is what they're going to call it. So let's go over see how the markets reacted to this. First, we're going to go over to the stock market, and I think we got a little bit of a bite out of the front end here. If you look through this, there's really no technicals that would cause a sell-off in this, so it just might be a little bit of a profit-taking from people, the Dow Jones and the S&P hitting record highs day after day. So that's what we've seen through here. NASDAQ was up a little bit today. The good thing is we have the VIX down at 16. Again, the blood pressure on Wall Street's a little bit lower than where it is normally. And then go over to oil. Let's see what oil is doing. Fantastic, folks. 63 is going to help the inflation numbers big time. This could offset a little bit of that tariff inflation that we're expecting as well. So this is fantastic news when it comes to the inflation front. Let's go over to crypto, see how it's doing, because crypto was just approved to be able to be used in 401ks. So a lot of people are now going to invest in these. So these are areas that we focus in on each day. But what we really focus in on, folks, we want to try to figure out where mortgage rates are going and the whys behind it. So let's get over to the economic calendar we have for today. Then we're going to review what we have tomorrow. But today there's some information I want to bring out to you guys. And the continued jobless claims are a little bit scary, but there's another piece of this I want to talk to you about. Consumer credit. Okay, so here's what the numbers look like. If you come across here and you see consumer credit announced today, the last reading was 5.13 billion. It was expected to go to 7.4. It came in at 7.37.